Secretary Dr. Ravi Chandran and all the members of the fraternity. I think at the outset, compliments to each one of us on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti and for having successfully conducted this Swachhata campaign over the years, as was being mentioned by him earlier, that the campaign began with a call from Prime Minister from the ramparts of Red Fort in 2014. Little did we realize at that time the importance of it, because for the first time, Prime Minister was touching a very foundational issue instead of talking about very lofty issues. But then we realized the vision of Prime Minister Modi, where very soon, in next few months, it took the form of a mass campaign. And Prime Minister had given a special emphasis on constructing of female toilets. And in the very first year after the campaign was launched, we had about 4 lakh female toilets built across the country. In fact, in my own constituency, there was a girl from class 9 who stopped going to school. She said, unless a toilet is constructed, I would not go. Then we got in touch with the collector. We asked him to find out what it was all about, and then a survey was done, inspired by that little girl. And we found there were like 200 other houses in the same rural belt. So you can imagine what was the magnitude of the problem at that time, particularly in the context of the daughters and the girls who did not have that facility in the schools, and they had to suffer physical hardship as well as the risk of disease. Now crores and crores of toilets have been built, and that has also brought a change in our behavior, I think at the social level also. So it's a very rare occasion. As he said, it's become a whole of government campaign. Rather, I would say it's a whole of government plus whole of society. So this is the first time. I used to say earlier also, we have heard of the campaigns being launched by the government and then being very lethargically taken up by the society, or campaigns being taken over by the government at the behest of the society or the call of society. So here was a campaign being launched by the government and being lapped up by the society. And I think the best comparison is that family planning campaign, which was launched in the early 1960s by the then government, never picked up on the mass level. So this is one of the rare case studies also of how the success story of a campaign works, unless it is involved so inclusive. And I think it has also brought in change in our behavior, both social behavior as well as workplace behavior. The Administrative Reforms Department, we started an official Swachhata program 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. Now this is 4.0, beginning from 2021. And in just 4 years, they have earned more than 1100 crore, 1162 crore to be precise, just by disposing of the discarded electronic scrap, the mobile phones, the mouses. So what was the culture in the office was the mouse went out of order. The officer said change it, it would change, and that would lie unattended. Now they realize the worth of it. And I think now, because when we came out with that calculation last year, some of the lady officers and employees said they never knew their children have discarded so many mobiles at home. If we knew it is such a valuable thing, we could discard it in the market. So there is a market for that also. And more than, I think, 355 lakh square feet of space was cleared, including in the South Block. The entire corridor was choked. And some of the offices, they have built now restaurants and postal department premises. So much of space vacated. So it's, I think it has a multifaceted outcome, including in our behavior. And from each year we are learning. And of course, this is a ceremonial observance on the occasion of the Gandhi Jayanti. That does not mean that we have to clean ourselves only on Gandhi Jayanti. Just as you shave your beard every day, not only once in a week. So it is just retreating ourselves, reminding ourselves and recommitting ourselves to this cause. And I'm glad with each experience every year we are graduating to the next level. More than 6 lakh files have been cleared out. And in 2014 we came across files lying in North Block, which had so much of dust collected on them. So I said we should get the female colleagues involved and tell them when they go home they carry so many microbes and germs on their hands by handling these files. And they were all discarded files, they're not required also. Then there were furniture occupying the entire veranda. Table with 3 legs, chair with 2 legs. The chair went wrong, they just threw it aside. But if you dispose it off in the market, it fetches money for that also, and it clears this way. So I think the huge revolutionary change in our behavior, not only within the office premises, even at home. And therefore, we have to thank Prime Minister Modi for having led us on this path. And of course, the Ministry of Earth Sciences created a new example by observing the coastal cleaning. I think that one of the best conducted campaigns, the cleanliness campaigns in the recent years, at the request of the government, at the initiative of government, which again became a mass campaign. And all the NGOs, different social organizations joined in, became a huge success. So I wish we could again make it an annual feature from next year. So thank you very much, and congratulations जो हमारे सफाई कर्मी हैं जिनको पुरस्कार मिले, आपका विशेष धन्यवाद. यदि आपका सहयोग ना होता तो ये कार्यक्रम ही ना होता. तो आप ही के कारण ये कार्यक्रम संभव हुआ है, तो आप विशेष बधाई के पात्र हैं.